So here we have a new product within our range. This is a set of smoked rear brake lights for the Ford Transit Custom. This only suits models with twin rear doors, otherwise known as barn doors. So the ones we've got here are proper smoked plastic rather than the other cheap nasty ones, as I like to call them, what seem to be floating around online, which look like they've just been sprayed black. So let's get these open, we'll have a closer look, and we'll also illuminate them just so we can see what they look like on your van. So as you can see, these are a really high quality plastic. These are actually tinted rather than sprayed, which seems to be the thing what everybody seems to be doing and selling really cheap online. Now we'd rather go down this route and have something a little higher quality. These are really simple to fit. It's just a case of popping out the old brake lights. They're only held in with some retaining clips. You may need a trim tool or a flat screwdriver if you go really steady, just to help tease them out the rear door. And they just plug directly back into the wiring loom on the van. So let's have a closer look. We'll also illuminate them in a moment, just so we can see what they look like. So here we are. These are just illuminated with a 12-volt feed, just to illustrate how they look. These are powered by 3 LEDs, and these are fully E-marked. They are road legal and they're also MOT compliant.